Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing? So today I want to talk about a little thing of mine. Well, first of all, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel, Tech in My Life. This is just basically the things that I use day to day. I like a lot of tech, and I try not to swap things out frequently. So when I buy something, I use it, and when I'm in the mood, I try to get my feelings about a product up. I'm not like a reviewer that just buy things, review them, open box, and then send it out. I try to actually use things I buy. So I buy things for practical purposes, and you know, typically they withstand the test of time. A lot of time, sometimes way too much time. But anyway, um, today I got a couple of things. Well, one of my favorite things I got last year for my birthday is my Garmin Fenix 3 HR. So big time tech here. I do a lot of cycling, um, between 150 to maybe 200 miles a week when I have a good week of training. And a while I do use a Garmin Edge on my bike, I actually like my Fenix a lot more. For one, it does just about everything that my Garmin Edge does, but I get to put it on my wrist and I get to wear it every day as an activity tracker, and I sleep with it, so it gives me my sleep cycle, how deep I'm sleeping, so on and so forth. Um, Now, great product. Um, so a couple days ago, a couple nights ago, while doing one of my favorite night activities with my wife, I broke the strap. Exciting activities. I broke the strap on my watch. And I went online and I knew that Garmin replaced the watch strap with one of the newer, easy to remove straps. But Garmin was selling it for a whopping 49 bucks just to replace the strap. Um, so I started perusing around because I figured somebody would have to have made something similar, but for not that substantial a price. And on Amazon, I came across this company. The name is Wearable. Anyway, for my watch in particular, the Fenix 3, the watch strap size is 26 millimeters, and the watch band is actually for the new Fenix 5, but it fits the Fenix 3. I really like what they did here, and it's virtually indistinguishable from the um, uh, the older strap. And this company, again, the strap is indistinguishable from the authentic original Garmin strap. But what's really cool, so this was a strap that broke, and there's a little pin right here. It's a Torx. It's a Torx. I don't know what you want to call it. Screw, nut, whatever. But it requires this little doohickey that comes in the package, and you insert the Torx wrench or screwdriver, whatever it is, into right there on both sides. You unscrew it. After you unscrew it, you take the pin out, and you take the old strap off. You put the pin back in, and then to get it's as simple as that. So this is pretty cool. Let me just try to show you that again. All you have to do now with the new strap is right there, and it just snaps right on. So again, once you take off the old strap, put the pins back in, screw them tight, all you have to do is pop it off. And in my case, I also got a red one. You can pop the new strap on. Just like that. Pretty cool. I really like this. And here's the best part. The best part. Garmin charges $49 for this. Amazon had it for $9.99, so I ended up getting two. I got the red and the black. 20 bucks. You can't beat it. The rubber or silicone, very flexible. I think this one was a little bit more stiff, but this rubber, this silicone, very flexible. It feels very comfortable. Even the latch here, that's metal. I seriously doubt that's gonna go bad anytime soon. But guess what? If it does, for $9.99, I'll probably buy 3 more the next time. But I seriously doubt that this will go bad anytime soon. And the part that broke was actually just this part here on the other one. The little silicone band that holds the flap of the watch in. And it was driving me nuts just having it flap around. So I said, you know, I'm just going to get a new band altogether. And for $9.99, what a deal. Anyway, couple other things. One, and I'm going to probably make a separate video about how this watch, maybe saying saved my life was a bit dramatic, but it let me know that something was actually wrong with my heart. And I'll make another video about that. And it's AFib. I have AFib, and I'll touch on that in detail more later. And I'll actually try to do a review of this watch after having it for 1 year. It's a fantastic device. Really enjoy having my Garmin Fenix 5. But Garmin, if you watch my video, do something about that ridiculous $49 for a silicone strap that somebody else is making for $9. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, like I said, I'll be posting things randomly about stuff that I use. I have another YouTube channel, which is my name, Ewan Henry, and I post things to there also. But for the most part, this is going to be me reviewing my tech stuff. Thanks for watching.